Hello, everyone. Today's doors open day. Please write plus in the chat if you can hear and see me well, and if you see presentation. I'm waiting for messages. We have some delay, maybe 30 seconds, maybe 20 seconds. But I need a plus in the chat if you can hear and see me well. Yes, I see pluses. Okay, let's start. I want to describe you about yourself. I'm lead developer at Ozon. I'm also ex-developer Melu, Kaspersky, and Tinkoff. And also I'm a head of course, Golang Developer. My name is Vladimir Balun. What about webinar today? First of all, we start from a bit information about Ketus. After it, we will see the course overview, Golang course overview. After it, we will see course team, teachers, head of the course, and so on. And after it, we will see information about the course, learning program, and so on. And at the end of the webinar, we will discuss about different themes in programming if you will have some questions. I want to ask you about yourself. Please send me your name and where you're from. Please send me your IT work experience. And what's your main goal for signing up for this class? I am waiting a little bit, messaging for you. What's your name and where you're from? What's your IT work experience? And what's your main goal for signing up for this class? Okay, let's go later. I want to describe you a little bit about Ketus. What is it? Ketus, first of all, focused on IT, and our advantage lies in our advantages programs for experienced specialists and our ability to quickly launch courses on new and trending technologies. What about our clients? Our training courses and open learning materials attract specialists of different levels, including junior, middle, senior, and lead positions. Different positions we can have on our courses. What about our mission? Mission of the Ketus? We deliver training that brings real value to all stakeholders. We are committed to bring the needs, expectations of enterprises, employee competencies, and instructor expertise. What about our profession? What can study on our courses? We can teach programmers, architectures, analytics, management, DevOps, administrators, and so on, with different levels. For example, junior, middle, senior, or lead developer. Now I want to ask you about Ketus. Do you have any questions about Ketus? Please send me. I am waiting a little bit time. Okay, we don't have any questions. Let's go later. I want to show you course team and learning program of our course. Let's see our landing page. I want to describe the Golang Developer course. It's master the fundamentals and progress to build your own microservice. Yes, this is about our course. This course is suitable for you, for developers who want to learn Go and increase their proficiency, to those who already have a basic understanding Go and want to use the language properly. What about prerequisites? At least 1 year of development experience, of course. Experience developing web applications, yes, it's necessary. Knowledge of Golang basics, constructions, and syntax, because we don't describe the conditions, we don't describe the loops, we don't describe it on our course. Also, familiarity with Git and working in GitHub, it's necessary, of course. And basic understanding of CI, GitLab, CI Travis, or something like this. Plus, what will be pluses of your knowledges? Knowledge of one of the programming languages, particularly C, C++, because C and C++, it's near with Golang, and it will be a plus for studying on our course. And plus with Linux administration experience. What about our program? What will be on our course? First of all, we start from Go, of course. We will study different basics of Go's. What about array, slice, and maps? But we won't describe the only interface of these data structures. No, we will describe the internals of these data structures. We will describe internals of structs, functions, metas, interfaces, errors, handlings, and so on. We will describe a lot internals of these parts of the Golang. Also, we will describe about testing in Golang. We will have 2 lessons for testing in first module, because we think the testing is necessary for Golang programmers, and we will have 2 lessons for testing. What about next topic of our course? It's topic about concurrency. Yes, concurrency is very important in Golang, and we have a lot of lessons for this theme. First of all, we start from routines and channels. Also, we'll describe sync primitives, mutexes, atomics, conditional variables, notifiers, channels, a lot of weight groups, and so on. After it, we will see concurrency patterns, how to build something big with these sync primitives and routines. And after it, of course, we will describe internals of Golang, internals of scheduler, and internals of memory and garbage collection. Yes. Next, we'll describe standard library. We'll discuss about input, output, and Go, data formatting, interaction with operation system, because it's important, of course. Also, we'll describe reflection, code generation in Go, config files and logging, and profiling and optimizing in Go. It's feature of Go, and we will describe about profiling and optimizing in Go. Also, we'll see networking and DB, database communications in Go in our course. We will have this model for this. First of all, we start from context and low-level network protocols. After it, we will discuss about working with SQL, HTTP, gRPC, because it's very important for Golang Developer. After it, we will go to model for microservice, model about microservices. We will start from monolith and microservices. We will see different architectures, monolith, microservice architectures, even driver architectures, and so on. We will see message brokers. We will discuss about Kafka and RabbitMQ. We'll see what is Docker, how to use it in your practice. And we will have in this model third lesson about testing, because I can repeat, testing is very important. And in our course, we will have 3 lessons about testings. What about our project? After these lessons, you will have 1 month for your project. We will have different terms of projects. We will have 5 terms of projects. You can choose what do you want, what do you interested in, what are you interested in it, and you will create your own project from your choice. And we will have 1 month for creating your project with your teachers. What about our teams? Our teams, it's team from professionals with different companies, with different experience. Artem Zheltak, team lead in driver, Ilya Feoksitov, systems expert, Global Barcelona. Also another experts from our course. We will see here. Different experts with different experience in different spheres of developing in different companies and different tasks. Yes. I also want to describe about homeworks. In our course, you will have 15 different homeworks. Its homeworks very different. It started from very primitive homeworks and ended from very difficult homeworks. After our course, you will have for about 2 big projects. The third project will be from your homeworks, and after it you will get big projects. And also you will have second project. It's your final project for 1 month of creating of this project. And that's all about course. I want to ask you about questions. Maybe do you have any questions about our course? Maybe you have any questions about programming, about studying on our course, about maybe you have some questions about Ketus or something like this. I'm waiting a little bit. I want to ask you again, maybe do you have any questions about course team, about program, of course, about homeworks? Maybe do you have any questions about Ketus or something like this? I'm waiting a little bit. Okay, I see you don't have any questions, and thank you for your participation on this Doors Open Day, and see you on the course of Golang Professional on Ketus. Thank you.